Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bitrate on Google Maps. To know how to fix or how to solve bitrate on Google Maps, you will click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you can search about Google Maps and you will click here. Then you can click on First Stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to Storage. Here you can click Clear Cache, but pay attention, don't click Clear Data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.